New update Gucci Tamagotchi, new update magnetic pull, new secret ability matchmaking, improvised ball optimization, 2x secret pity weekend. Into this video I'll be showing you every single new working code inside of the magnetic pull update 22 of Volleyball Legends. Make sure you guys like the video, subscribe, go straight ahead to the codes because there is a lot of crazy codes to redeem. We have a bunch of lucky spins that you can actually redeem right now in this brand new update, as well as some insane cash codes. We got some insane cash codes as well. If you click on abilities right here, you can see I have a little bit of these lucky spins. 108 right here, 49 on the other one. You can get tons and tons of lucky spins by following the channel, redeeming every single one of these codes. And also, if you would like to have yourself an extra slot for your style or your abilities, make sure you guys actually comment down below magnet. Comment magnet. Comment magnet because this is the magnetic update. If you comment down below magnet, you'll be entered and there will be 3 winners getting a free extra slot into this video. So don't actually worry and actually like the video and subscribe. Do the secret words. We got the update 22 codes that we will be redeeming today, which is quite a bit. Okay, we got quite a bit of these new codes added into Volleyball Legends. I'm gonna be redeeming every single one of them. So once you actually open up Volleyball Legends and you click on the shop, you can pretty much start redeeming the codes. And if everybody is on the same page, we can type in the first code, which is going to be 850 meme rs3 rs7 actually meme rs7 k underscore b. That is the code. 850k members. Be sure to actually like the video and subscribe. Don't miss out on any of these codes. Should I actually... Okay, I'm gonna remove it. I'm gonna actually remove it right now. Remove it. Redeem? How is it invalid? Wait, what? What did I miss? 850k underscore members. So this code is working, but the developers didn't update this code yet, so which is kind of sad. You have to just redeem it for yourself, because if you're in an old server, this code will not work. This code will pretty much not work if you're in an old server. I'm in an old server right now and it's not even redeeming. 700 million VZ. If you redeem 700k VZ, you're getting a lot of free lucky spins as well, so you guys actually redeem this one. Boom, 5 lucky spins. The next code is ATE underscore 22. So if you ate 22 cheeseburgers today, this is the code to redeem 822. 8. We missed a couple letters though. Update 22. That is the actual code, guys. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, redeem every code. Boom, 5 lucky spinneronis right now. Magnetic pull is here and you can actually play the new update with the new secret ability in your hands.